Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone stock on Apple logo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your iPhone is stuck on Apple logo and won't boot, you can try the following steps to resolve the issue. So what you can do is first restart your phone. Can often resolve issues like a frozen Apple logo. iPhone 8 and later, press and release the volume up button, and then press and release the volume down button. Hold the side power button until the Apple logo disappears and reappears. You can also use the recovery mode to restore or update your iPhone. What you need to do is connect your iPhone in recovery mode. Once you have connected your iPhone to a computer using a lightning cable, you will getting a message like this on your laptop. And now what you need to do is simply tap on the option that says update, or you can simply tap on the restore option as well. And once you follow the on-screen instructions, you'll successfully be able to boot your phone. But if that still doesn't do it, then you can also use the iBoot iOS system repair, and all you gotta do is tap on enter. And now once you tap on enter, the next screen will ask you to either you can use the standard repair or you can use the deep repair. Select your option and then tap on fix now and follow the on-screen instructions to successfully boot your phone. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.